methods to solve the quadratic equation. So the first method is the factorization method. Yesterday I told you that what are those three methods. First method is factorization method, second method is the completing the square method, and the third method is the quadratic formula. So first we will do the factorization method. Okay. So in factorization method we use two numbers. Means we find two numbers such that their product is equal to product of A and the product of C. मीन्स हमें ऐसे दो नंबर फाइंड करने हैं जिनका प्रोडक्ट A और C के प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल हो. देन देयर सम इज इक्वल टू B and when we add those two numbers their sum is equal to B. Okay, so this is understood. Now we will apply this on the question. So what is the question? 6x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so what is the product of 2 and 6? It's 12. Okay, so we will find the numbers whose product is equal to 12 and whose sum is equal to minus 1. Okay, so minus 2 into minus 6, minus 2 into 6 is equals to 12, minus 12. So we have to find two numbers whose product is equal to minus 12. Okay, so we can have minus 4 and 3. Let's see, minus 4 into 3. This is equal to minus 12. Then when we add these numbers, so minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3, minus 4 is greater and 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So minus 1. Yes, we are getting these numbers. Okay, so we will do like this. 6x square, this will be like this only. Now minus 1x will not come. Okay, minus 4, then x is here, so x we will apply, plus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, then we will find the common terms. So in 6 and 4 what we are having? We are having 2 and x. Then 2 and x are out, so 2 3s are 6 and 1 x is left, so like this. Then minus, then 2 2s are 4, x already we have taken, so this will be left in this. Okay, then what we will do? We will take plus. Now here nothing is common, so we will take 1. So plus 1 into 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so now 3x minus 2, because this is common in both, and the next term which we will get is 2x plus 1. Next expression which we got is 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now in product rule it is said that if product of two numbers is 0, then either one number is 0 in that or both the numbers are 0. Okay, either x is 0 or either y is 0. Okay, so by product rule only we will apply on this. So let's see, 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so x is equals to, here minus 2, so it will become 2, and 3 is in multiplication, so it will come in division. Okay, then the next 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so x is equals to minus 1 upon 2. See, in quadratic equation the highest power is 2. So we will get the two values of x. So we have got the two values. First is x is equals to 2 upon 3, and the next value of x what we got is minus 1 by 2. Now let's go to the next method. The next method is the quadratic formula. Okay, so quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2 A. See, this is a formula and this only we have to apply on all the questions that are related to quadratic formula. Here it is written plus minus, means we have to do 2 times. First time we have to do with plus and the second time we have to do with minus. Okay. So let's do this question. Okay. 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equals to 0. So first we will put x over here, then minus b. What is the value of b? Is equals to 7. So minus 7. Then plus minus, then we will form a root. Then b square. So here we will write 7 square minus 4. Then AC. Then what is A? 9. And then what is the value of C? It's minus 2. Divided by 2A. Means 2 multiplied by 9. Okay. Then x is equals to minus 7 plus minus 7. What is the square of 7? It's 49. Then minus 4 into minus 2 is equals to plus 8, and 8 nines are 72. So 49 plus 72 upon 2 nines are 18. Okay. So this is the value of x and here is plus minus. So first we will do with plus and then we will do with minus. Okay. Now what we learned that in quadratic equation that there are 2 roots, means 2 zeros. So first root is alpha and alpha value is minus 7 plus 49 plus 72 upon 18. And the next one is beta. Its value is minus 7 minus 49 plus 72 upon 18. Okay. Then what is there? First we will solve with alpha. Alpha is equals to minus 7, then plus 49 plus 72 is 121 upon 18 is equals to minus 7 plus. Now what is the square root of 121? It's 11. So minus 7 plus 11 upon 18. Okay. Then alpha is equals to minus 7 plus 11. So we will get 4. We will get 4 upon 18. Then 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 18. So what value of alpha we have got is 2 by 9. Okay. Now we will solve for beta. Beta value is minus 7 minus root 49 plus 72 upon 18. So minus 7 minus 121 upon 18 is equals to minus 7 minus 11 upon 18. Okay. So beta is equals to minus 18. Minus 7 minus 11 is equals to minus 18 upon 18. So 18 ones are and 18 ones are. So value for beta we will get is minus 1. Okay, so we have found the two zeros or the two roots for this quadratic equation. Now the next method is completing the square method. Okay,